Hello friends, welcome to our channel Gyan Expert. Hello friends, today we are going to learn looks block using which you can add animation to your project. First is say hello block. When used, your sprite will show the hello message. You can change hello to anything, like here I am changing it to hello Anna. Duration of the display can also be changed from here. I am changing it to 1 second. Now the message will be displayed for 1 second. Again I am changing it for 3 seconds. Now the message will display for 3 seconds. Next is say block without any time. It will display the message but not remove it. You can see in the stage area. Next is thinking block. Using this we can show that our character is thinking. Here also we can change the thinking message. Here I am changing it to I am hungry, and the sprite will say think I am hungry. Next is switch costume block. Costume is one particular look of a sprite. Next we can use next costume block along with a move block. Here I am selecting a move block to create an impression of walk for a character like this. You can see our character is like walking. In next video we will learn switch backdrop blocks. Thank you. For more videos and updates, please like, share and subscribe my channel Gyan Expert. Thank you.